Hello friends, welcome to Tech EduCook. Today we are going to discuss the formula of chemical kinetics. फार्मूला के बारे में जो डिस्कशन चल रहा था, पहला वीडियो जो आया था थर्मोडायनामिक्स के बारे में, उसके बाद आज हम ले आए हैं केमिकल काइनेटिक्स के फार्मूला के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. एट फर्स्ट, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. इफ ए रिएक्शन C2P, then the rate of reaction is expressed as in terms of reactant minus dC by dt. This negative sign is transfer since the reactant is finished, and in terms of product the rate is expressed as dP by dt since the product is formed. Okay, that's why plus sign. Then rate law expression. Suppose a general reaction AA plus small b capital B is equal to CC plus DD. Then the rate law expression we can write as minus 1 by A dA by dt is equal to minus 1 by B dB by dt is equal to 1 by C dC by dt is equal to 1 by D dd by dt. Okay, so this is the dA by dt is the minus dA by dt is the rate of decomposition of A. Okay, this is the rate of decomposition of B. This is the rate of formation of C, and this is the rate of formation of D. Okay, suppose we take a reaction N2 plus 3H2 to 2NH3. Okay, then the rate law expression becomes minus d of N2 by dt is equal to minus 1 by 3 d of H2 by dt is equal to 1 by 2 d of NH3 by dt. Okay, that is, here we can say from this rate law expression, rate of decomposition of H2, that is dH2 by dt, is equal to 3 into rate of decomposition of N2, that is 3 into d of N2 by dt. Okay, now comes to the, suppose the reaction is AA plus BB to CC plus DD. Okay, then rate can be also expressed as K into concentration of A to the power A into concentration of B to the power small b. Okay, here K is the rate constant. Then how we can also write rate constant K is equal to rate by concentration of A to the power A into concentration of B to the power B. Okay, and overall order of this reaction is A, small a plus small b. Okay, now what is the unit for this rate constant? The general unit is mole to the power 1 minus n, liter to the power n minus 1 second inverse. Okay, for if we consider the zero order reaction, then n is equal to 0, then the unit becomes mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay, for first order n is equal to 1, then the unit becomes, here only second inverse remain, that is only unit is for first order reaction, rate constant unit is second inverse. Okay, now example of different order reaction. Okay, at first zero order reaction, the example is 2HI gaseous to in presence of AU at high pressure, it forms H2 plus I2. This is the example of zero order reaction. The example of first order reaction, 2N2O5 in bracket gas to 4NO2 gas plus O2 gas. Okay, for second order, 2NOCl to 2NO plus Cl2. Okay, the example of fractional order reaction, CH3CHO at 450 degree centigrade temperature, it forms CH4 plus CO. Okay, this reaction, the order of the reaction is 3 by 2. Okay, and another example is CO plus Cl2 to COCl2. Okay, this is the half order reaction. Now comes to kinetics of zero order reaction. Rate law expression for zero order reaction is concentration of A0 minus concentration of A is equal to K0 into T, where K0 is the rate constant, T is the time, A0 is the initial concentration, and A is the concentration after time T. Okay, half life of the zero order reaction, that is T half, is equal to A by 2 K naught. Okay, then time required for complete the zero order reaction, that is when A is equal to 0, then T is equal to A0 by concentration of A0 by K0. Okay. Now kinetics of first order reaction. For first order reaction, the Red law equation becomes ln A by A minus 6 is equal to K1 into T. It can also be expressed as in terms of log. Then it becomes 2.303 log A by A minus x is equal to K1 into T, where K1 is the first order rate constant. Okay. The half-life of the first order reaction is 0.693 by K. Okay. Now time required to complete the first order reaction, which is infinitive. T is equal to infinitive. That means first order reaction never goes to completion. Okay. Now kinetics of second order reaction. Here two cases arise, when both the reactant are same and when the reactant are different. Okay. At first we consider the reactant are same. Then A plus A is equal to A plus A to P. Then the Red law expression is K to T is equal to 1 by A minus x minus 1 by A. Okay. K2 is the second order rate constant. Half-life T half is equal to 1 by A K2. Okay. But when both the reactant are different, that is A plus B to P, then suppose at time 0 T is equal to 0, then A is equal to A small a and B concentration of B is equal to small b. Okay. And product remains 0, and after time T, suppose X product will form, then the remaining concentration of A is equal to A minus x and remaining concentration of B is equal to B minus x, and the Red law equation becomes K to T is equal to 1 by A minus B ln B into A minus x by A into B minus x. Okay. Now kinetics of nth order reaction. Suppose the reaction considered Na to P. Okay. Then the rate equation is Kn into T is equal to 1 by N minus 1 into 1 by A minus x to the power N minus 1 minus 1 by A to the power N minus 1. Okay. And the half-life is equal to 1 by Kn into N minus 1 into 2 to the power N minus 1 minus 1 by A to the power N minus 1. That is, half-life is inversely proportional to the A to the power N minus 1. Okay. Determination of order with the help of half-life method. Okay. We know T half inversely proportional to 1 by A naught to the power N minus 1. Hence, we can write T half 1 by T half 2 is equal to A naught 2 to the power N minus 1 by A naught 1 to the power N minus 1. That is, if you have given that the T half of the both reaction and initial concentration of the two reaction, then you can easily find the order of the reaction with the help of this method. Okay. Now comes to the effect of temperature on reaction rate. Okay. This can be explained by the help of Arrhenius equation. We know that K is equal to A into e to the power minus A by RT. Okay. Where K is the rate constant, A is the pre-exponential factor or frequency factor, and EA is the activation energy, R is the constant, and T is the temperature. Okay. In temperature coefficient, Tc is equal to Kt plus 10 by Kt. That is ratio of rate constant at T plus 10 temperature and at T temperature, the value of which is near equal to 2 to 3. Okay. Now, for two different temperatures, the Arrhenius equation becomes ln K2 by K1 is equal to EA by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. From this formula, questions frequently asked in CSIR NET or GATE examination. So please remember it. And here the A is the pre-exponential factor. What is the unit of A? Unit of A is equal to unit of K. That is, for first order reaction, the order unit of A is second inverse. Okay. this is all from this part, and the remaining part of chemical kinetics, that is transition state theory, consecutive reaction, parallel reaction, this type of reaction formula we discuss in the next video. If this video is helpful for you, then like the video and subscribe the channel for the next video. Thank you.